Hey guys, if you want your Monday.com tasks to show up right inside Google Calendar, let me walk you through exactly how to connect the two, and it's way easier than you might actually think. So first up, open the board in Monday.com that you want to sync. From here, simply look toward the top right for the integrate button. So it's literally the one with the little puzzle piece icon. And once you click it, you'll then be able to see all the different apps Monday works with. And Google Calendar should also be right here. So when you choose Google Calendar, Monday will then show you a few automation options. So these basically tell Monday when to send something to your calendar. For example, sending items when a date is set or when a due date arrives. So simply pick the one that makes sense for you. And after you click it, Monday will then ask you to connect your Google account. So simply sign in with the Gmail address you want to use and give Monday permissions to sync events. And once that's done, you then have to customize which board fields become calendar events. So usually it's the item name plus the date column. And once you do that, you can then save the automation and that's it. From now on, any item that meets your rule will automatically show up in your Google Calendar. It also updates on its own too, so if you want to change the date in Monday, Google Calendar will then stay in sync. So it's super simple, super helpful, and it's perfect if you want your deadlines in one place. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.